If you're in search of a sturdy rack for your overlanding adventures, you should be checking out this Fishbone Offroad tackle bed rack for your 2020 or newer JT Gladiator. Now this will be a great pick for the JT owner who needs a solid support system for a rooftop tent or just needs to carry a lot of equipment or cargo with them for their trail and everyday adventures. Not to mention, this will be a great system if you're looking for more of a low profile rack compared to some of the other full bed rack systems. Now this will feature a half rack design which will come up to the middle of the rear window, roughly 12.5 inches high off the bed, again making it great to add a tent to be level with the roof, but also great for some better accessibility compared to other taller racks. This will also work with roll-up tonneau covers, and you can mount this into the existing bed rails or clamp it to the side, giving you some options when configuring the back of your truck. Now not to mention, this comes with a plethora of tie-down points on the side for additional accessories and cargo for whatever you have to take with you. Now this system is going to be strong, like I mentioned before, made of a steel construction, and it's also going to have a nice texture black powder coat finish on top. This will hold up to 500 pounds of static weight safely, so you can keep some peace of mind there when adding a bunch of accessories, and especially that rooftop tent. Now this will also have multiple rails and mounting locations on each side, again really allowing you to customize this to your own personal preference, and will allow adjustability, so it is going to work with multiple accessories. Now when it comes to price, this will come in at roughly $1,100. And when taking a look at other choices in the category, this is going to be pretty average. Now this will be a half rack, which will save you a couple bucks in the long run compared to other full racks, while still offering a lot out of the construction. Now comparing it to other systems on the page, some racks and even those full racks may not have as many attachment points as this does, and this is going to offer a lot of adjustability when it comes to the top rails, as where some others just may not offer that. Now on the flip side, some more expensive choices may have some extra bells and whistles like a third brake light or even accessory lighting or a flip down table. However, I think if you're ready to pull the trigger on a rooftop tent and just need a solid rack for the back of your truck that still gives you options without completely breaking the bank, then this is going to be a great choice. Now install will be straightforward at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to get the job done with some basic hand tools. Now at this point we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown of the install and what it looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Tools required for this install include an impact gun and a 19mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a bed rack on our Gladiator, so let's get started. So our first step is to get our 3 main hoops laid out. Now the one that has the logo on both sides is going to be the frontmost. This triangulated piece on our front and rear are going to be facing into the bed. Our rearmost hoop is going to have that logo right in the center, pointed back, and then the one with no logo is going to be our middle one. So once we get these laid out, we can start installing our top bars. So now we can install our first top bar. So we'll lay it across the top here. And then for our hardware, we're going to be using our 30mm carriage bolt. That's going to drop right through the top. And then on the bottom side, we'll have our carriage bolt washer, followed by a lock washer, and then our nut. So now once we have all of our bolts hand tight, we can go back with a 19mm socket to tighten all of these up. And then we can do that same thing on our other side top bar. So next up we have our side bars. These are just gonna go right on the side here. And then we can throw the same carriage bolts, 30mm in, just to hold it in place. We're going to be using the same hardware set as we did for the top bars. So now with that held into place, we can hop into the bed of the truck and install our hardware. So now we can finish installing our hardware. So we'll start with that carriage bolt washer, followed by our lock washer and nut. And then once we have everything hand tight, we can take that 19mm socket to tighten everything down. And then we can repeat that same process on our other sidebar. Now finally, we can install our brackets to mount this down to our bed rail. Now our bracket has a 90° and a 45° bend. Our 45 is going to go up underneath of our side rail. And then we're going to put our two 50mm carriage bolts through the back side of the bracket. And then we'll angle that up into place. And then we'll be using a normal washer and our nut. And we'll be doing the same thing on this side. And then once again, we can take that 19mm socket to tighten these up. And then we can do that same thing for our remaining 5 brackets. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Fishbone Offroad Tackle Bed Rack for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Thank you for watching, and for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.